Hello friends, my name is Ravina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make DIY scrunchie. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. For making DIY scrunchie, we need fabric, safety pin, elastic of 9 inches, sewing machine, or you can use normal needle and thread for stitching work. Take a fabric of 22 inches into 3.5 inches. This is the inner side and this is the outer side. So fold one edge like this and stitch it here. This is the inner side and this is the outer side. So now turn it over and fold such that the outer side goes to the inner side. And now stitch it up as shown here. Stitch completely. Here I have stitched completely, and now take a safety pin and pin it up here as shown. Now put the safety pin to the inner side and go on putting the cloth inside and pulling your safety pin out so that the outer part of our scrunchie comes outside. So remove it out like this, and here it is. So now remove your pin. Now take a elastic. You can use flat elastic. I have taken your round elastic. Now pin it up like this as shown. Pin one end using a safety pin. Now put it in. While putting, remember that one end of your elastic should remain out. So here it is. And now remove your safety pin from your elastic end by joining both the elastic ends. Tie two knots tightly. Put the knots inside. Also put the unstitched part inside the stitched part. And now stitch it up here. Once you stitch, cut the thread, and here your DIY scrunchie is ready. You can make it using different cloths. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.